Hi guys, I have another retro model kit build for you today. This is Heller's Fouga Magister in 1/72nd scale. Hey Richie, why are you saying that is a retro model kit when the box looks like new? Because this box is from the early 2000s, but let me show you the original box art from 1980. Well, as you see, this is a true retro kit but in a relative new box. Heller gives for this kit the famous Patrouille de France painting scheme, which is awesome. Yes, this will be the second Heller model kit build in the row, but somehow I feel more authentic when the model kit manufacturer has the same nationality as the original airplane manufacturer. Or should I say Heller, as a French model kit manufacturer, knows very well how to model French airplanes. What else to know about this kit? It is made from grey, light bluish plastic, it has a one-piece canopy, it has raised panel lines, but it is a very detailed kit for its age. How I plan to build this kit? Well, I plan a two-part video. In this first episode I glue the parts together, and the second episode I finish the model kit. I showed you the sprues what will be built. It's time now to start building this. Hey Richie, there are many very nice Fouga Magister kits on the market. Why this one? Well, the others have three negatives. These are: first, they are not French. Second, the others lacking the spirit of a real retro model kit. Third, they was not on my shelf. And this is how my Fouga Magister looks like in the end of the first episode. In the last few months I have very little time for my model kits. I was too exhausted to sit to my desk and work on it. But if you want to encourage me to speed up the build, please do in the comment section. Thank you for watching.